Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today we will be riding up a hill with this Yamaha TW200 from Japan. I'm riding with Dunlop K180 tires, which are meant to be ridden in the roads, town, some gravel maybe, but yeah, they're like not off-road tires. And also the pressure was a bit high, like 2.2 or something like that. You will see that the riding is gonna be really easy at the beginning, but you will see as the minutes go by how difficult it really got. I thought it was gonna be a really chill ride, like a Sunday ride for relaxing my mind and enjoying the weekend, but it turned out to be a proper enduro nightmare. So I really hope you enjoy it. Right now I'm riding a 500cc bike as a commuter, and it's really a blast, riding fast and going everywhere as fast as you want. But whenever I come back to this bike, I'm just reminded how fun it really is, and that you really don't need like 50 horsepower or 80 horsepower or 100 horsepower in order to have lots of fun. This bike was designed in the 1990s, I remember, or 1989, somewhere around that, and basically it hasn't changed ever since then. And yeah, it begs the question, like, do you really need a KTM? Do you really need a Husqvarna? Do you really need a CRF 250, 450, whatever? This bike is really capable. Of course, you need enduro bikes, because we love like collecting bikes and having as much bikes as we can, like road bikes, enduro bikes, trail bikes, whatever. But yeah, this Yamaha is like a true competitor to enduro bikes. Let me know if you disagree, because maybe you do. But yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys this tiny adventure that I had on the Sunday. Enjoy. And also bear in mind that this video is AI generated, made by artificial intelligence, so none of this is real. Bye.
Ahí va a patinar.
Mira, falta.
Ano, kita dulu.